Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is September 9, 2020 in Northern California, and look what we woke up to it. It's right now lunchtime, so normally we film in my shop and there will be full light here through the skylights, right? But look what's happening. We woke up today to complete darkness because there are so many fires in California that smoke came on us too, and it's absolutely dark. Do you see the lights? It's a lunchtime. The lights on the buildings went on and it's completely dark. I have here, you know, this opening right in my shop. This is middle of the day and this is what's happening. There's basically no light here whatsoever. Look how dark it is in the shop. It's just unbelievable. So some of you live elsewhere and I just want to share with you our reality. I had to put that light on so I can even see something in my office. Hey Mr. Frog, what do you think about it? Not good, huh? And let me show you right here. Look at the skies. The poor camcorder doesn't know what to do with it. It's completely dark. It's coming, this one, from south. We are looking direct to the south right now. There is the ocean, so it's lighter. Yesterday I saw it was ending above the ocean, but today it's way harder. And this is how it looks with all those fires. So this is pretty insane, isn't it? Look at it. It's like a darkness. It's absolutely unusual. We never saw anything like this before here. I've got for some inspection possible work 98 Taco, which has 350,000 miles. Can you believe it? So when I switch to the automatic mode, you can see that Tacoma with a super high miles and that 2.7 liter 4-cylinder engine. Look at it. Absolutely darkness. It's crazy. If I will see something interesting on this Tacoma with such a high miles, of course I will try to film it for you. So it was just a quick video for you to see what is happening in California today. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next video. See ya.